Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Hub. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Ben. We're so excited to see you today.
Today's lesson is really special. We're going to teach you everyday words that native speakers use all the time.
Yes! These are words you hear in movies, at the store, with friends, everywhere.
If you learn these words, you'll sound more natural and confident in English.
Before we start, please hit that like button. It helps us create more lessons for you.
And subscribe. We post new English lessons every week.
Okay, Rachel, I'm ready to sound like a native speaker.
Perfect. Let's begin.
Our first word is super important. Native speakers say this word all the time. Listen, actually,
Actually, this word has two meanings. Let me show you.
first meaning, to correct information or give the real truth. Listen, I thought the store was closed, but actually it's open.
Did you hear that? Actually, it's open. It means really or in truth.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Actually, it's open.
Good. Another example. I thought she was 25, but actually, she's 30.
Let's try that one. Repeat. Actually, she's 30.
Excellent. Now, the second meaning, to politely disagree or correct someone.
Yes. Listen to this conversation. Rachel, you're from Canada, right?
Actually, I'm from the United States.
See? I used actually to correct Ben politely. It's not rude at all.
Let's practice. Imagine someone says, "You like coffee, right?" And you answer, "Actually, I prefer tea." Try it. Repeat. Actually, I prefer tea. Perfect. Native speakers use actually in every conversation. Start using it today.
Here are more examples. Listen, actually, I'm busy tonight. Actually, that's not correct. Actually, I've been there before.
All natural. You can use actually to sound more like a native speaker. Next words. Kind of and sort of. These mean the same thing.
Native speakers say these constantly. They mean a little bit or not completely.
Listen to this example. I'm kind of tired today.
Kind of tired means a little tired, not very tired. It's not extreme.
Let's practice. Repeat. I'm kind of tired.
Great. You can also say sort of. Listen, I'm sort of hungry.
Same meaning. Kind of and sort of are exactly the same. Try it. I'm sort of hungry.
Excellent. Here's why native speakers love these words. They make you sound less direct, more casual and friendly.
Yes. Instead of I'm busy, you say I'm kind of busy. It sounds softer.
Let's practice more examples. Repeat after Rachel. It's kind of cold today.
Good. Another one. I'm sort of confused.
Perfect. Here are more natural examples. Listen, this movie is kind of boring. I'm sort of interested in that. It's kind of expensive. Did you hear how natural that sounds? Start using kind of and sort of in your conversations. Important note: in fast speech, native speakers say kinda and sorta. Listen, I'm kinda tired. It's sorta cold.
That's very casual. But for now, practice saying kind of and sort of clearly.
You're doing amazing. Let's move to the next word.
Now let's learn how native speakers really talk. We use short forms in casual conversation.
These are not formal, but everyone uses them. First one, gonna.
Gonna means going to. It's the casual way to talk about the future. Listen, I'm gonna go to the store.
Instead of I'm gonna go, we say I'm gonna go. Much faster and more natural.
Let's practice. Repeat. I'm gonna go to the store.
Excellent. Next one, wanna. This means want to. Listen, I want to eat pizza tonight.
I wanna eat instead of I wanna eat. Let's try it. I wanna eat pizza.
Perfect. Last one, gotta. This means have to or have got to. Listen, I gotta go now.
I gotta go means I have to go or I must go. It's very common. Try it. I gotta go now.
Great job. Let's practice all three together. Listen, I'm gonna study because I want to pass the test, but I gotta leave soon.
Wow. All three in one sentence. That's how native speakers really talk.
Let's practice each one again. Repeat after me. I'm gonna call you later.
Good. Next. I wanna learn English.
Nice. Last one. I gotta finish my homework.
Excellent. Remember, these are casual. Use them with friends, not in formal writing.
But in conversation, everyone uses them. You'll hear them everywhere.
Last section. Two phrases that help you change topics or add information.
First phrase, by the way. We use this to add extra information or change topics. Listen, I'm going to the store. By the way, do you need anything?
By the way means also, or I just remembered. It's super useful.
Let's practice. Repeat. By the way, do you need anything?
Great. Here's another example. I saw Tom yesterday. By the way, he says hello.
Try that one. By the way, he says hello.
Perfect. Native speakers use this all the time to add new information.
Next phrase, anyway. This means so or in any case. We use it to continue the conversation or change topics.
Listen to this. We talked for a long time. Anyway, I should go now.
Anyway, helps you move forward in the conversation. Let's practice. Anyway, I should go now.
Excellent. Another example. The weather was bad yesterday. Anyway, how was your day?
Try it. Anyway, how was your day?